Venga, chicos, keep moving. Head for the small gate there.
Cared for in this unique high-altitude habitat, these magnificent creatures thrive under the watchful eye of their keepers.
Venga, chicos, keep moving. Head for the small gate there.
The preparation is calm, systematic.
Securing the straps is crucial. We check the tension carefully to keep the animal comfortable while ensuring it remains still for the procedure.
The raw material is harvested with precision. Sorted and tagged, it enters the primary line.
Emerging from the wash cycle, the hide is guided onto the vibrating drainage conveyor. The warmth generates steam as thousands of perforations drain the water away.
The hide exits the softening chamber, where powerful vacuum slots pull it firmly against the conveyor, removing all excess moisture.
Cleaned and softened, it awaits the main transformation.
The high-pressure water scours the microscopic pores clean, revealing the hide's true texture. The force causes the skin's grain to tighten.
Neutralized and rinsed, the true tanning begins. The hide is fed into the massive rectangular tanning drum, filled with rich brown liquor and thousands of smooth,
Submerged in this rich, bourbon-colored liquor, the hide tumbles slowly. The wooden pebbles gently
Split to perfect thickness. The premium grain is selected.
The top grain layer, our primary material. The crosshatch imprint is clear, the surface smooth and tight. The leather is fed between these massive polished steel rollers. A thin, clear acrylic resin is applied.
The coated leather enters a long, temperature-controlled conditioning tunnel. Here, it is gently warmed and tumbled on.
Programmed for efficiency. Every cut is precise.
Formed, branded, and ready for final detailing.
Protected and authenticated, ready for presentation.
Once the flaps are folded, the automatic sealer applies reinforced paper tape. The integrated printer then
From raw material to stored asset, the cycle is complete.
A journey of transformation, locked within mountain walls.
The deep, rich quality of the chestnut leather is evident. This final product stands alone, an object of minimalist design and lasting value.
Where nature becomes asset and process is perfection.
Make sure you get under that drum. All right, we need to move the squeakies to Sector 4 next.
All quiet. Shipment away.
The product begins its journey to the world.
Another day, another credit.
Let's just get inside. It's cold out here.